What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium back with another episode of the market overview, guys. Today we got our dip buy. We got the dip buy. We held 4,400 really, so that was nice. Overnight action held 4,400. Got Ripper Magoo. How are you? And then this whole candle right here, it seemed like, was all Nvidia. No, but in all seriousness, Nvidia did report today, as you can see, blowout guidance. So the market went up, right? Market went up. Let's take a look at what we got on the docket for tomorrow. We do have the Jackson Hole Symposium starting tomorrow. However, Big Daddy P, Jerome Powell, chairman of the Fed, he does not speak until until Friday at 10:05 a.m. So just need to understand. Look, there is this meeting going on. Are there going to be interviews with all these knuckleheads and stuff? Probably. Right, probably. But you just need to take into account that there could be some headline bombs coming out tomorrow. So for what it's worth, just pay attention there. Do have some pre-market data. Jobless claim comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 hour before market open. That'll definitely give a tad bit of movement in the open. So really, I think other than that, really nothing else going on until Friday. Friday, we have pre-market. We got data plus Daddy P, right? So tomorrow it starts, the symposium starts. But really just need to pay attention to the initial jobless claims and then get on to Friday. But as far as our plan for tomorrow, I mean, look, do we hold this? Does this hold overnight? Do the buyers hold this end of after hour mark after hours rip on Nvidia? That's really it. So for me, let me just zoom this out real quick. Get over here. Right. Okay. So as we can see, for me now as bulls, you really want to have 44.40 defended, right? That's what got defended this afternoon before the rip up, right? That was a double top we had there. So if that can hold overnight, right? We're all the way up here at 44.71. So it's a long way down. If that can hold overnight, I do like that for dip buys tomorrow. Even as high as 44.55, right? Even as high as this 44.55 area. I'll be watching for dips into that area to hold. Do we cool off tomorrow is the question. I don't know. Obviously, I have a short level in mind. And it is right here. 44.95. 44.95. As you can see, we had so many touches into this area, and then we had a reject right here, as we can see. Then we finally broke these lows to come through. This is a reject level. Obviously, tomorrow, if the market is goddamn ripping faces off, then you're a little bit more hesitant on, right? You're a little more hesitant on the short side of things. But this was such a big breakdown level. I think initially we could easily see some resistance there still. I think this is a short trade opportunity. Now it's counter trend. You're not going to be able to stick around long, right? If you rob the bank, you don't stick around to see if the cops show up, right? So you want to get in and out here. Other than that, I think the most high probability trade I'll be watching is going to be dip buys between 44.40 and 44.55 area. Look to get tapped out as long as we stay above this 44.68 area. Look for 44.95 all the way up to 45.09, 45.20, really, all these areas up here that you can see above. That's for ES SPY chart. As we can see, right? As we can see, we went right to that 442.50 today, right to that 442.50. We held, right? Now we held and we ripped. I mean, Ripper McGooey, how are you? Right? So now we're going to look at this level in here, right? You can see we had multiple touches on its way down right here at this like 446.47 area. But I don't think I think on SPY, the bigger reject I'd probably be watching is going to be 448.50. 448.50. I like this area. It's a 200 MA here as well. So we have some confluence. I think we could see a reject there initially. Of course, that's counter trend, right? If we're ripping faces tomorrow, just look to buy the dip, right? But I think initially 448.50. So I'm be looking for a possible reject for a quick short scalp. If not, though, go down to the 1 hour. It might be a little bit easier to see. I want to see dips into this 442.50 hold. 442.50 hold, or even into, right, the top of this, right, 443.50. So this little range in here, right, you could probably just draw like a new little box in here and just be like, If we get down in here and hold, I'm going to be watching this area, right? Especially overnight. So call it 442.50 to 443. I want to see this area hold on any dips. Okay. And then if not, I'll be watching 448.50 for a reject. QQQ, what's going on in tech world? Obviously, Nvidia brought this thing right on back to life. We went right on through that 372. That was going to be my short level, right? Multiple touches here. Now it just bursted through, right? Bursted through. So we're going to want to see, look, back test into 370 or 368 if they hold, or 372 holds. 372 holds, that's great. If that holds overnight, that means honestly, probably not going to be playing puts and unless Powell completely fucks it up on Friday. Okay. 372 holds get long. Okay. But I would look for dip buys 368, like that level up to 370 as well. Just like SPY. Maybe just put like a little box in here and just like say area of interest for me. If we get down below 370 into 368, let's look to buy the dip there. But 372 holds, get out of the way, buy calls, and just go back to bed. Right. And check on them at the end of the day. They'll probably be doing pretty all right. Hey, what did IWM finally do? Broke and hold the top side of that range, right? 185. 185. We said, let's play this little balance zone until it breaks. Well, we broke it and then we ripped up. Didn't get as high as we thought, maybe up to this daily high back here, 187, but got up a point or two. So you had some good upside here. But I'll be watching for now. Let's see if we get a back test into the zone. Back test into 185 to hold, target 187, 188, 189 from there, guys. That's all I got for you. Don't forget pre-market data. Jackson Hole starts tomorrow, but Palace until Friday. As always, wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.